everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here today with a Stash Bash giveaway episode, and today I'm actually doing a process video. So today this is going to take a little bit longer because we're going to be working with stamps today, and we're going to make our own ephemera, and then I'm going to do a layout inside of my traveler's notebook, my pocket-sized traveler's notebook. And I hope you enjoy this process. So first off, I'm going to tell you what supplies you need. You need a stamp set. So today I'm actually using this Gossamer Blue stamp set, and it's an August 2017 Traveler's Notebook Kit or Life Pages Kit. So I bought this when they were clearancing everything out. So yeah, so I'm going to be using that today, and also some pattern or solid paper. So I'm using the Mente tag book, and I really like this, and all the colors and stuff reminded me of Italy. This the creator is actually from Poland. So, and I ordered this actually from an American site because I saw the Mente papers, and I just, I mean, her stuff is gorgeous. So I ordered this, and what's nice is you can either use the tag side or you can use the other side. So I wanted to use the tag side, and so that's what I'm going to be using today. You need stamp block, platform, or an ink pad top. So I'm going to use a platform today, and I actually needed to, because the stamps are new, I actually need to take my hand and run it across the stamps, because when I'm stamping, and I'm still learning how to use it, but when I'm stamping, like, it will stick. So it's not sticking as much now, and it actually moves the paper a little bit. So I ran my hand across there, or a block, which you can do individual, but I wanted to stamp more than one stamp at a time today. So I decided to use this, and I'm actually liking this. I've had this for, I think, about almost a year maybe, and never really used it. So now I'm using it a lot. So you'll need that, or you can use a top. So I'll show you an example. So I'm going to be using my Close to My Heart inks. So I decided not to use the Bestie stamp because I don't need to use that. But what you can do is, as another option, is you can always take the ink pad and ink it up, and then, I mean, it's not clear, but you can also stamp like that if you don't have a block. So that's another option. If you don't have a block, then you can use an ink pad or a platform. And scissors. So I didn't bring my other scissors in here, but I mean, you can use any kind of scissors. These are just American craft scissors. I actually like using my Close to My Heart scissors because it's like really thin. So yeah, so that's what you need. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna ink up first. So I'm gonna actually, let's see, how can I do this? I want to ink up the Yummy pink. So if you guys know any other tips, let me know. I'm just gonna, I'm thinking, you know what, let me try this. You know what, let's just go ahead and, let's see. I'm trying to get my little makeup dauber, and I'm gonna see. So I want to do two different colors. This is actually my first time trying this, so I wanted to do the Yummy, this color. I forgot what color it is, I'll tell you. I think it's Hollyhock. Let's see how, oh yeah, that works. So like I said, this is my first time doing this. If you guys know a better way, let me know. I guess I should have tried this before. I used to doing all one color, but today I want to use this color. Okay, we'll see how it turns out. Pretty yummy. And then I was gonna use this color, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just use my Distress ink and ink up the rest. Press down. Wow, that actually came out nice. We're gonna do one more. This one more time. That's the only thing. It kind of looks, it's not perfect, but it kind of gives it kind of a, yeah, a interesting look. But I like it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it out, and then we are going to add it to my traveler's notebook. Okay, so now we are switching over to a voiceover. So I'm showing the vellum I'm using. So the washi tape I'm using is from Simply Gilded. And I thought the colors just go so good with this travel theme, Italy theme. I love the distressed blue in it, the hints of pink. So I'm actually going to be using that throughout my whole, for the rest of the pictures as well. So now I am picking out, I picked out one of the ephemera that I had stamped, the ones that I had cut out. And then I'm going to take the washi tape and put it at the bottom. And so I have everything in my little pouch, so I keep all those products together because I'm using this right now strictly for this project. So then I decided to also put it on the other side to kind of even it out. This is their bow washi. So let me know what you think about voiceovers, if you prefer music or voiceovers. I know some people prefer both, so I've even thought about doing this and even doing one voiceover, and then maybe on another video, maybe just music. So let me know what you think. So now I've chose another like ephemera piece, and this is awesome, which is obvious. So I decided to go with the thinner bow washi, and I love the distress colors in this washi tape. It goes so good, and that's also why I use the blue and the pink color. Blues, I heard blues and greens pretty much go with anything scrapbook wise, so I'm kind of sticking in there with the blues, like darker blues. So yeah. So now I'm just putting on my pictures. So if you notice, I have like a glue stick type glue pen. I had got that from Cocoa Daisy like maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, and I hadn't used it, so I thought it'd be perfect for those like die cut ephemera pieces. But I like the Elmer, the adhesive for my actual pictures. I was just showing the Granita and the place we went to. We went to a place called Bambar in Taormina. I am sorry, I didn't even say where this is. So this is in Taormina in Italy, in Sicily. So my family and I took like a day trip up there. So I wanted to document it. We're actually, our time is getting cut short and we will be leaving soon. So all of our little adventures, I wanted to like document it right away. But unfortunately in Italy right now, we were yellow, which restaurants are open, all that stuff. But we're actually on Monday going orange, which means the restaurants are only doing takeout. So it's such a bummer. It's just not the same. Streets are empty and it's hard to be here right now. I know like when you think of Italy, you think of all the food and the adventure and the tourism. But right now so but anyway, so I put that thin washi at the bottom and wanted to even it out. And see, I'm taking more ephemera pieces. So it is so fun just to take these pieces and just to stamp them and to make it your own. And I have actually had a lot of fun with my stamps, and I do plan on using my stamps a lot more because it's so easy. And the size of this insert is a pocket. So I am like really having fun doing memory keeping in travelers notebooks. Like that is like a big thing for me. So you will see white spaces on the side, and that's because I am actually going to do my journaling. And so I just write little notes about what's going on. So you'll notice I actually am putting one of the stamps on there. And let me see, that stamp says, let's go on an adventure. So I am actually using the hollyhock color. I'm sorry, I stamped the bottom first. So that says savor this day. And then you'll see at the top that I will be stamping let's go on an adventure. So I did try to stamp the small words and make make ephemera, but sometimes with small words it's better just to stamp it directly on the page versus doing ephemera and cutting that out. So I mean, it's small enough. So I was re-inking to make sure it's inked up. And once again, that says let's go on an adventure, and I have space to journal. And yeah, so there's my journaling. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the process. It's all ready to go. And I just wanted to show you a couple of extra little things, and then I'm going to let you go. And then just so you know, if you watched up to this point, then you'll know that I'm doing a secret giveaway. So I will do that in a sec. So I just want to show you how I am actually storing some of my stamps, my smaller stamps. So I have samples in the back, and even like I can cut these out if I want to use these. And I decided to do that and keep my stamps in here, and it's easy to take on the go or whatever. So I want to give that tip. And also, if you like to see the process video for the next page, let me know and I can do another process video and discuss the rest of the pictures. And then also, I just want to give some tips as well. So while I was in Taormina, we went to a purse shop. So, I mean, just if you ever have see any business cards or like, it's called, which I told you, Bambar. I got one of these menus, so I can also add this also in my little notebook. Just grab, you know, little things like this, and this is your souvenir. And then say if you don't have pictures or you can't get printed pictures right away and you just want to journal, then you can do some journaling. And then you have like a little it's like your own personal ephemera from the places that you visited. So I hope you enjoyed that process video. I sometimes get nervous about process videos, but hopefully you enjoyed that. And for the secret giveaway, and this is not including the giveaway that I'm doing for this month, you can still win. So even if you've won a prize already or whatever, I'm just doing a secret giveaway. So I am going to give away these stamps. So what you need to tell me in the comments is a place you want to visit after all this COVID stuff and lockdowns and all this stuff. Once it's lifted, let me know where you want to visit. I want to visit Japan. My husband's been, but I haven't been, so it would be nice to go to Japan. So leave that in the comments and don't say anything about a giveaway because if it's not watched up to this point, then they will not be eligible for the giveaway. But just put in the comments where you would like to go after all this is lifted, even if it's another state, visiting family, whatever. So I am so happy you have joined me today, and this is including the Stash Bash giveaway videos. This is video number 2, and I'm trying to do a video every week. And I'm hoping tomorrow or sometime this week, I'm going to do the giveaway reveal for March. And then at the end of the month, if you watched all 4 of the videos, then you'll be eligible to be in the drawing to be able to win the prize for March. So thank you so much for watching. I am having so much fun doing this because I am destashing and purging and downgrading my stash. So once again, tell me, and then I will do a drawing for this. I'm thinking probably next week. Yeah, we'll do next week, maybe next Friday or Saturday, and I will draw a winner. So once again, tell me where you would like to go after all this lockdown stuff is over. So I hope y'all are safe. I hope your family's doing well, and I hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Bye. That's what I forgot to say. I think I'm going to go ahead, because this is light, I think I'm going to go ahead and do international as well. So if you're international, because these are light stamps, go ahead and you can leave a comment as well. Let's put you guys in there since you guys can't do the other giveaways. So I'm going to open this up to 18 and over, international, and you must be a subscriber. Okay? Have a blessed day. Bye.